Hello everyone! Today we are going to pack for holidays. If we are going for a short trip, we can take a backpack, and we can pack everything inside it. But if we are going for longer holidays, we need a suitcase. And I will pack for some longer holidays, so we will use the suitcase so the backpack can go away. And let's open our suitcase. And the opening is here. There is a zipper. It's pretty used, but very, very comfortable. We will start with shoes. So I think that we need 3 pairs of shoes. 1 pair of shoes is normal shoes that you will wear for traveling. These are mine. I will put them away. Another pair of shoes is some sport shoes. They are very comfortable and I can run in them, I can walk in them, and they are very, very useful. Here. Another pair of shoes is the pair of flip-flops. So here I have got some flip-flops for the beach, for the sea, and for very hot weather. So these shoes are going in. What else do we need? Well, if we have got shoes, then we also need socks. So I will take just a few pairs of socks and I will show you a trick. I put these socks inside the shoes and then I save a lot of space. So the shoes are filled with my socks. See? Okay. I also need some pajamas, right? So I will take my pajamas here. I also need some swimming suit. I will put my swimming suit inside that suitcase. Let's think of some clothes. First, we need to take some clothes that are for when it's very hot and very sunny. So, what do I need? I need some t-shirt. A t-shirt. I also need some shorts. And I think that will be a good outfit for very nice and hot weather. Let's think. But now I also need some clothes for when it's cold and rainy. So let's see what we have. We have got a hoodie, and a sweater, and some trousers. Very good. Is this a good outfit for when it's cold? Yes, it is. But what if it's raining? I think when it's raining, I need a raincoat. So there it is. There is my raincoat. And when it's just cold, I think I will stick to the jacket. I think we are settled with our clothes. I think that's enough. But what other things do we need? We also need an umbrella. Sometimes it's raining on our holidays. So let's take the umbrella and let's take some glasses. These are sunglasses for when it's sunny. Sunglasses. But remember that they have to be in some special box so that they are not broken during packing and our traveling. So glasses and of course a cosmetic bag. This is my small cosmetic bag. And we also need some headphones to listen to some music. These are my headphones. And of course a book, because it's the best thing to do to relax on our holidays. I am taking The Great Gatsby. This will be my book. But wait, I'm missing something. What about when it's sunny and when it's hot? I think I need my hat. Go give me my hat. Perfect. And now I'm all good to go? Wait, that's not correct. I think this has to be in the front. Is it good now? I think now it's good. So my cap is going to the bag, to the suitcase. I think I am all ready. Now I can... Wait, how will I close my suitcase? Uh-oh, look. My suitcase will not close. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I have to start all over again.